that we did in determining this. Finally, there was something called gender skill and earnings in professional golf. And they also found that putting is an important skill for men and women. So instead of, we just looked at men, they took into effect men and women on different aspects. All right. For our data set and our variables, first I'll just describe what each of our variables were. First is driving distance, which is obviously the distance the ball travels once it's hit off the tee. It's usually measured in yards. Driving accuracy is the percentage of the time you hit the fairway off of your drive, off of the tee. Next is greens and regulation. It allows you to hit the green where you leave 2 putts for you to make it in the hole. So putting average is based on a per hole basis, how many putts it takes for you to actually make it in the hole. This data was collected from the top 100 players in the years 2007 through 2009. And our methodology was, we used linear regression of the data, with our dependent variable being a top 10, the probability of getting a top 10, and our independent variables were the ones I just described: driving distance, driving accuracy, greens regulation, putting average, and then we also had to add in player dummies and year dummies. To get the top 10 probability, we took the number of top 10 finishes they had and divided it by the number of events that they had played in. And we computed all this using SAS 9.2. Now I'll give it over to Brent.
Okay, as you can see from SAS, this is more from Excel, we found the descriptive stats of our greens and regulations, putting